Okay, I got these race car remote controls that I thought I'd rewire, but let me give you a bit of a warning. This plastic is brittle. First one I cracked trying to get this thing out. Second one I cracked trying to put in an oversized wire. And boy, what a bad decision that was. But on the flip side, I learned a little something. Very cool design, very mechanical. So this little spring trigger rides on a rail, and that rail is the rheostat. So here it's most resistance. Here's a little bit more resistance, and then no resistance. But this slides up a little. There's a little ramp there, and that little ramp keeps it off and then on. Pretty cool.